And finally, my last rant for the day is about Google Maps. Google Maps brings Street View to India, relying on local partner. It is the first of its kind. Google Maps will not capture any data itself, as the Indian government didn't allow them. So they are relying on Genesys International Tech Mahindra, which has set to cover over 150,000 kilometers across 10 cities in India, which includes Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Nashik, Vadodara, Ahmednagar, and Amritsar. Google said that they plan to expand it to over 50 Indian cities by the end of the year. For viewing it, you have to open Google Maps, zoom into any road in any of these cities, and tap on the area you want to view. It will be available to local developers as well. You can get information such as speed limits starting in Bangalore and Chandigarh, and 8 more cities will give you information on road closures such as Delhi, Hyderabad, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Gurgaon, Bangalore, and Agra. Google is also partnered with Bengaluru police to give an idea about the traffic light timings, and it should result in about 20% reduction in congestion across all these areas. This type of project has been expanded to Kolkata and Hyderabad soon, and Google Maps will also start showing authorized air quality information so that people can know the pollution level of the cities. Good initiative. Hope it becomes more successful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.